Guys, we are back with SB19 Vlogs Wyatt Photobook unboxing. I'm so excited. This reminds me of the unboxing they did of the merch, and they're in the same place exactly where they filmed that, and it was so funny. And yeah, I did not get a photo book, but I saw Melly and Paige's unboxing. Was it Melly who got a photo book? And I saw some of the photos, but I'm excited for them to unbox it. Guys, let's go. Make sure to subscribe, give us a like, and let's watch this together. I wonder when they filmed this. Is really now to see when they filmed this, I rely on their hair and what color is their hair.
Andito na po ang ating WYAT Photobook.
Wow! What? Why? It's in the boombox?
Last year. And
June? Around June, no?
August?
August?
Ano yun? Viral days natin. So ngayon po, since
September 2, yeah.
natin kay WYAT, nakakolekta na tayo ng mga photos or memories within it. And ngayon, kinolect namin siya into a photo book.
Look at Josh! Oh my god. Do they get one photo book each to unbox, or do they only unbox one?
Ito ang first ever copy. Ang nakikita niyo sa design ay very concept din ng Wyatt, vintage.
Okay, so what I'm thinking of is not this photo book, because the photo book I'm thinking of is actually the PABLO photo book, not the Wyatt photo book. So I have no idea what they're unboxing right now.
Cassette player.
Cassette?
Cassette
Player.
So ngayon, paano siya ibubuksan?
I got the joke.
Naka-gloves ka, safety feature.
Are they giving it to Ken because he's wearing gloves?
Bigyan mo ito.
Kasi maraming memories.
Is it?
Ang gusto ko rin dito kasi yung mga behind the scenes natin, yung mga very raw lang, yung mga candid, yung mga photos, makikita nila dito. So, that would be interesting for everyone na makita yung SB19 with that kind of. Pag makikita mo yung isang group na very...
Ken said, let me speak. Very rare.
Sticker.
Oh, sticker.
Nakalagay.
Proof of authenticity.
Oh. No, no, no. Oh, this is cell phone number?
Makikita niyo dito, meron siyang 5 photo books sa isang set. So,
5? What is this? Why do I not know about this?
Behind the scenes, tour, and on film. So lahat ng ginawa namin.
To be honest, I kind of given up on merch, seeing the price of the international shipping.
Ako para sa yung photo.
I used to be wild and crazy and buy things, and now I'm just like,
90s pa. 90s pa rin naman.
yeah.
Pero alam mo yung 90s pa, diba uso-uso yung mga ganyan sa mga art.
May gano'n kayo sa school?
Hindi, sa mga market. Sa Lotus Mall. Yan,
Lotus Mall?
Pag nandun ka, masaya lang yung moment, nas nakaka-capture nyo, pinagsamahan nyo.
I love Pablo's hair.
LA. Tsaka,
Oh, that was after.
San Francisco nag-photobooth tayo.
That was after America.
Parang favorite ko kaya mag-inhaler. Hindi yung Wyatt suit. Kasi ano lang.
Maganda yung buhok mo doon eh.
Hindi.
Maganda
Kasi,
ayos.
special to eh. Ito yung parang may mga pictures natin dito na hindi pa nakikita ng mga tao.
Are you gonna show them to me?
Nakikita nyo sa mga teasers na pinost natin before the music video. Kaya kasi sobrang ganda. Isipin mo, magkang budget dito.
Ikaw.
Siyempre yung Wyatt Tour. Wyatt Tour. Actually, ikaw ba naman bumiyaya sa buong mundo? Ikaw ba naman mas stress ka sa amin? Sa body clock mo? Nagpapagawa mo.
Even my body clock, guys. My body clock went from Philippines, UK, America, UK. I was like,
Hulaan mo sa'yo kayo anong favorite mo. Behind the scenes.
Galing naman ni Justin.
Bakit behind the scenes? Bakit ang magaling? Ay, bakit behind the scenes?
Siguro kayo na.
Kaya ako nahulaan.
Wala akong favorite mo. Yung last. Kaya ka lang.
Tama na. Ang galing ang galing. Kasi yun nga, mahilig din ako sa mga film. I think meron din akong ibang shots na nandito.
Talaga?
Oh.
Justin,
Photographer Justin Diaz.
Just film. So ano, buksan na natin. Silipin natin sa Pera! Oh, bayo!
Balikan!
What? Wow.
Wyatt Photobook. Sino na sa sobrang tingnan?
Oh, what? Wow. What? Oh, that's 5. How convenient. Ken or what is Ken doing? Already Ken got the black one.
What?
Ito yung pagkakita na planet.
Ken gave a little spoiler.
Kung nagising mo, magagalit sa'yo. At pag hirap pa sa'yo, mapapatunayan mo worth it.
Photobook. So makikita niya ito, parang meron mga tayong mga t-shirt and gano'n.
Yes.
Namin yan before pa tayo mag-shoot ng music
Pero
video.
there are other photos na nandito. So, nandito yung makikita.
Show me unreleased photos.
Matis ka lang isa.
Wala!
Wala.
Wala kasi dyan sinusulat mo ano.
Diyan ka magpapa-autograph.
Oh, sign.
Ay!
Wow. Oh my god. Yeah, we haven't seen any of those photos. Cutie.
Sabi ko yung Diyos, alam mo nung nagsushoot tayo dito, kwento ko. Nagulat talaga ako, naguluhan pala yun. Kasi akala ko isa-isa.
This is so typical. They're all like listening to Pablo and Ken is just doing his own thing.
Di ba, pasok ako na
Naiinis na ako, ang gulo yun. Tapos yung pala yung concept, ang gulo ako. Bakit na lang
Dito, ito, Wyatt on film.
Tagayas ko, City Hall.
City Hall ng San Francisco somewhere. And then, ganda oh. And nandito naman yung cover eh. Tapos,
Ito yung ano talaga, yung talagang photo
Oo, parang.
yung concept niya.
Yung dati na
Tsaka yung slides,
mo talaga.
may name plastic na gano'n. Parang kasama ka pa.
Wait, so all of I'm so confused. The box, you can't buy the box, right? You buy the photo book, but the photo book is you only buy one photo book, or you buy the box and the box comes with 5 photo books. I don't know.
Yung Japa daw.
Magkasama tayo ng
Santa Monica Pier. Tapos Japa doon kasi dyan Paolo Matro. Hindi na pa mo ba? Hindi na pa mo ba?
WYAT Tour photo album.
Everything about tour and concert.
So, pag binili niyo sa akin ito ng tingin lang, 1,000 na lang.
Ano pa mahal ko?
Uy! Wag yun, ayoko muna.
Hide what? Show us Josh. Shirtless Josh. We just saw shirtless Josh. Like, I just saw him yesterday because I watched the music performance of Josh Glenn. So
Pili pa random. Ay, pero nakagano talaga yun.
I'm so confused when this is after America they showed this. The photos or the photos were taken before Wyatt. I don't know.
Kita niyo yung malaking ibon?
Yan ba yung ano yan? Anong picture?
But yeah, because it seems like this is what Melly, Paige, and Jasmine went to. Isn't this when they went to the embassy?
To Dubai?
Ang malaking imbo ng SB19.
Davao.
May meaningful message kami dito. Go Matt, now that we got reconnected, we'll forever be embedded in our hearts and souls.
Wow, so deep. So deep.
So ito yung 4th anniversary din namin. Sinelebrate namin na mas maaga.
Next sa akin yung Wyatt suits. Sa akin, favorite kay Wyatt suits. Marami din dito mga unreleased photos. Pero mas ma-enjoy nyo siguro kung kayo na sarili nyo yung makakita at kayo na gumawa ng sarili nyo story. Dito sa photos na to, marami kasi dito marami magandang photos. At isa na dito yung dapat
Subunit?
Subunit. Mga subunit photos. Bigyan ko kayo sample.
I want still.
Subunit. Mga subunit photos. Bigyan ko kayo sample.
Damn, I didn't even catch that.
Tapos syempre, bigyan natin sila extra. Baka sabihin naman, namimili ako ng mga favorite members ko. Baka sabihin, P3 ako. Baka sabihin naman,
Still be shading because we all know some Twitter they be accusing you of cheating on a member when you decide to have another member as your bias. Yes, Del.
Namimili ako ng mga favorite members ko. Baka sabihin, K3 ako. Kaya po,
Wow.
kaya favorite ko to eh. Kasi ang anong dating natin dito, parang you can sit with us.
You-
You can sit with us.
You can sit with
us. Sa Tagalog ay...
Ken. Ken is so lost and confused.
Hindi mo, ang sa Tagalog ay, hindi mo kami maupuan. Tapos may solo-solo din dito kasi. May solo-solo, tapos may mga props ka.
There's solos? That's for all the solo stands out there.
Wyatt, before mag-music videos.
Ito naman sa akin,
Ito yung MV behind the scenes.
ito yung behind the scenes ng MV, tapos lahat sa concert, sa
Music video.
Show us, sneaky peeky.
And isa sa feel ko magustuhan ng mga fans dito dahil alam mo yung
No filter needed because we look so beautiful.
walang filter na gamit.
Walang filter.
Kita
Are you not gonna show us anything?
yung pagka yung sinasabi namin na pagka-raw, andun talaga yung pagka-raw ng
Raw is spinach.
na iba-ibang klase ng tao. And yung pagka-raw ng photo, walang filter na gamit talaga. And
Oh, candid photos, that's my favorite.
Kanina, gonna be interesting for you guys. Medyo alam mo yun, if you see someone na masaya, yung ginagawa nila, masaya ka din.
Show us something still.
People that you look up to. Yung sa music video, guys, is yung
Oh, there's the green screen. Yeah, green screen there.
tayo na
Trailer for Wyatt and mga kailangan sa concert.
pogi namin dito.
Hindi na mawala! Photocard! Meron
Oh, photo card. Give us the photo card. Who did you pull?
Makikita. So isang photo card.
Ayun! Meron per member, tas meron per group.
Oh, it's a photo card. It's not a member photo card. It's like a Polaroid.
So how many photo cards, bro?
1%.
Sa isang set, may isang photocard.
So 5 solo, tapos isang group.
So, ani.
Wait, I don't understand. This is a group Polaroid, right?
Parang set, pag nakuha mo si Pablo sa isang set, meron ka ng Pablo photocard.
Tapos bibili ka isang set.
Kailangan mo bumili ng ani.
Hindi, pwede siya bumili ng anim pero...
Anim na photocard.
Anim na style.
Yeah, wow. It's like Paige. Isn't Paige, she got both photobooks, PABLO photobooks, the white and the black. She pulled both still. Lucky Paige. I got the Parsing Philippe magazine, so just because there was photo cards, I'm gonna get official Philippe photo cards.
Si Martin po. Tapos nalakuha ko, isa lang ako sa puso.
So, ayun na nga guys. Sana po ay nagustuhan nyo. Available for pre-order.
Local delivery po, mag-start po.
Oh, this is why available for pre-order. That's why I haven't seen it on Twitter because it hasn't shipped yet.
Very, very soon. So you guys, aantayin nyo lang.
As soon is soon because we know soon is not soon enough. Guys, I ordered the Parsing magazine, and the Parsing magazine on the tweet it said pre-order ships in 2 weeks. It's been like 2 months. I swear to you, it's always like this. And then I'm just like, they never ship. Apparently the Bulan vinyl, they said they would ship it in. It was supposed to ship November, and they just received an email this week that is shipping in March. So that's why I don't trust the soon.
And of course, the first week of March, start na yung open delivery for international. So, parang hindi rin malungkot yung mga international fans namin. So, ayun, huwag kayong mag-alala guys kasi
Aabot sa
pwede
inyo.
Aabot din po sa inyo kahit gaano man kayo kalayo.
I have spent way too much money on SB19. I am done.
Maraming salamat.
I have spent all of my budget
Photobook.
with my New York. I cannot spend anything anymore.
Anyway, ayun po, maraming salamat
Thank you po.
guys. Sana po na-enjoy nyo and sana po makita nyo kung ano yung mga laman ng mga each set na itong
May bago.
Maraming salamat. Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Thank you po. Bye. Oh, wow. Oh my god, that's such a cool photo book. Wow. Yeah, so it's really definitely just the Wyatt shooting. Joken? Is this Joken? Is this Justin or is this is Josh, right? Oh my gosh, they gave us Joken because they knew. They're on Twitter, they know we want Joken. Ooh. It's so weird to see Ken with his red hair. He looks like a different person. I'm just so used to his blonde hair now. Like, I really like this collage thing going on. This is so pretty though. Wow. Josh had his fun because he wanted us to see this. Look, he already knew. I bet you he already knew what page to show us. Look, his thumb is already on that page. He was like, this is what you get. You get shirtless Josh. Josh promoting himself as he should. Oh. Oh, Wyatt on tour. Ah. Josh. Official merchandise. Whoa. Damn, I like this holographic sticker. To this day, I still have my sticker from my first ever merch. It's there on my laptop. I took the sticker out of the box and it's on my laptop. It's been on my laptop for now. Since then. It's been like more than a year. It's been on my laptop. Oh, I love merch unboxing, guys. I still have things to unbox, but I'm waiting because I bought... The last thing that I bought, I really did not want to buy anything. But when I went to the tour, I wanted the tour t-shirt. And the tour t-shirt was the only thing they didn't bring to America. And I was like, I need my tour t-shirt. Like, I need it. Because you guys know I wear my t-shirt. Like, that's the... Because, like, other things... Like, I don't like objects. I'm not a materialistic person. So the only thing that I really actively have is, like, my SB19 Tumblr. And then I have my Justin signed photo and then my Ken photo there. And that's all I got. But t-shirt, I really wanted it. And then because I bought the t-shirt, it's in the Philippines. And I saw the Parsing magazine. I was like, oh, I want the Parsing magazine. So I got this, but this hasn't shipped yet. So I can't get it because it still hasn't shipped. And I don't even know at this point if it will ship because they're not even replying to my emails. So if you guys got the Philly Parsing magazine, please let me know, like, what's the deal with it? Because at this point, I don't even know if we're ever gonna get it. Like, they don't reply to my emails. But yeah, I really want photo cards. That's the only thing that I want. Because photo cards, I can put it on my phone. Because the photo card that I have right now, let me show you. It's actually a Philippe photo card, which I got on tour. Someone gave it to me. Someone gave it to me like on the queue. But now that Ken has changed his hair, I want a photo card with the blonde hair because I really like the zebra hair. So I want the Japan photo card. But this, I don't know how to get it. So if anyone has an official Philippe Japan photo card, please let me know, slide in my DMs. But yes, I love watching merch unboxing. Also, it's so fun to watch them unbox their own things. And yeah, those photo books they look amazing. They look like they really put a lot of efforts into them. And the photos are beautiful. And it's such a... I think photo books and photo cards are like the perfect momentum to keep. Because like you can look back and like it's really like memory. It's not like things you own like mugs or like things that can be replaced. It's like so unique. and it marks like a time, like the Wyatt era. It's so weird because I've kind of moved on already from my Wyatt era. Now I'm really on my Stray Dogs era. Like, guys, I'm on my Josh Cullen, Stray Dogs, Philippe era, which is weird because now I really miss Pablo, and I feel like Justin, I see him all the time because he posts a lot on Instagram, and then Stell, I see him a lot on TikTok, but Pablo, I don't see him that much, so I kind of miss Pablo right now at the moment. So that'd be great if Pablo could like release something. A little song, a little snippet, a little TikTok, a little cover. Pablo, I'm waiting for you. But yes, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!